Morning guys, how's it going? A little bit of different format today. I probably already told you in the following video that the Hondata I bought, the kpro 4, has been faulty. Well, not so much the Hondata, I think it's more the ECU. Yeah, the map readings stay at minus 29.9, doesn't matter if you start the car, have it idling, doesn't matter. So the map sensitive input's fucked. The map sensitive cell, I don't know if that's fucked. I'm gonna have to test that when I get home. But I'm away through to Glasgow, Performance Tech, Gerard Brady. He is the sort of Hondata dealer for Scotland. And he's shit hot, so I've got myself another second-hand ECU. I'm going to take it down to Glasgow and he's going to swap the boards over for me, so much appreciated to him. That's where I bought the Hondata from the first place, and obviously nobody knows how long the ECU's been fucked for, because I've been trying to get the thing going for a wee while, so could have been gone a long time. So. As you can see there, I've got the Hondata on the left with my analog sort of inputs coming to the side there, and that's the other Virgin ECU. And here we have it, Performance Tech, the legends. There we go, just leaving now the other Hondata, so we're now should be ready to stick this beast in, stick a map on it, and see if it'll fire up a 1000cc injector. So yeah, we have it back, another Hondata. Hope you've seen the other video where I might even be in this video where yeah, mine's fucked up. kpro baby. What I need to do is I need to cut a slit here for this USB port. I'll take the ECU out for that because I don't want all the shit to get inside. So what I've done there was cut either side, just there and there, and in the middle just bent it back and snapped it off. Now I've blown this nice and clean, so now should be able to, there's little spaces in here, this Hondata board, just separate it. So here, be nice and gentle with it, and stick all the bolts back in again. I'm going to stick the ECU back in its place. I'm going to leave that sort of dangling just now until I can make sure it does start. Switch panel and that is all in, so I'll go and get the keys, stick this in, put a map on it with Pinky, and yeah, see if it fires off this 1000cc injectors. Oh, Pinky had a bit of a hissy fit there. Hissy fit. So see if she's gonna start up. Come on, Pinky, you can do it. Oh, there we go. Looks like she's doing something. So yeah, here's my switch panel. Made this the other day there. I didn't film this because I've got quite a lot of security behind all this as to how the car started. So basically got an ECU, see there, so we've got ECU, we've got LGT, boost, fuel pump, fog. So basically I've got the ECU, obviously light is there because you need to have some sort of light in your car. That's boost, for boost control if I want to have boost control off. Fuel pump control, although it is actually switched on and off through the ECU, so you know, in a safety event the fuel pump will automatically switch off. This here is a wideband, so I can switch a wideband on and off, a wee voltmeter, and naturally you always got to have sort of USB chargers. So what I've done is I've got the ECU cable that's here, and Pinky will load up in a wee minute. Maybe we need to put some more coal in the back of her. We'll have a look at the tune, and we're going to put in 1000cc injectors as it should be and see if the car will start. And if it does, I'll tell you what, I'm going to be buzzing. So look, there's, oh, she's playing ball. My password for this, by the way, is G. If anyone that's watching this wants to steal my laptop. It's not really worth anything, it's like 50 quid or something. So yeah, let's get Hondata started up, the key manager, and go from there. Doesn't want to be playing ball. No, actually, I think I need to upload a tune to it. Let's try that first. File, open. We'll go for open loop, 1000cc, and we need to upload that to the ECU. Nice and quick. It's a full map as well. So, throttle, read there, full throttle, there, that's all we need to do there. Map sensor, omni power, that's fine. So now we should go into, we're still showing minus 29. Let's try and start this in C. So fuel pump priming. Yeah, my analogs are a bit sketchy just now. Fuel injectors, 1000cc. Let's try and start it and see what happens. Oh yeah, it's not off the key anymore. No start. So I've disconnected the Omni power, and now I'm going to try it with a stock map sensor. Oh yes! Although that's going to be wrong because the map sensor isn't actually into the manifold, so... Oh, Agitake's throttle! Yeah, so I don't know how, but the K-tuned map sensor's fucked. K-tuned map sensor isn't working. Right. I'm gonna have to swap out for the stock one works. I'm gonna have to try and sort something out. That's a problem by buying second-hand parts. Like I got the map sensor off my mate, but I don't think he tested it, so he doesn't know if it was working or not. And obviously it's not working, so I can't exactly chase him for money if he didn't know. Anyway, I'm just going to take it as a loss. I think it's £120. Another loss on my behalf, but these are the things you have to kind of, you don't have to, it just sometimes happens. So I'm going to stick the standard map sensor on. I'm going to put it into the manifold as it should be, and just configure it for a stock map sensor, and start it and see how she runs. Let's put the settings into Hondata and see how she got tuned. It's a genuine one. It came in a genuine packet. Now, come on, zoom in, you beast. There we go. Nothing wrong. It looks brand new, but it's obviously fucked. Here, what we'll do is we go to parameters up here to map, stock map sensor. Upload calibration, sensors, let's go to display. So what I'm going to do now is try and start it. 1000cc injectors on the stock map sensor. Oh my god, absolute perfect. Straight off the bat. Better switch on my fire gauge, eh? That wouldn't be reading anything yet. And there we go. Everything's happy. I need to sort out my analog pressures, but ignore that just now. Battery voltage is fine. You know, TPS is reading fine. It's taking throttle. Engine coolant temp 69. You know, the trims are actually just now as it's sitting, I'm sure they're at 0, eh? So it's obviously near enough where it needs to go. In fact, it's showing lean, so I'm going to add some more fuel in here to see if I can get that riching that bit up a bit. Check this out as well. Simple as that. Things running perfect. And there we have it. Running like a champ. Nice and quiet. Not too over the top. We're going to need to get a different fuel pressure rig, because that one, that eBay one's shite. So quiet. So quiet. So yeah, fueling's alright. Car's doing good. In fact, a good test to see how it is I will switch it off. I try to get it start off the button, no throttle. So good. So yeah, it's about time I've had some sort of good luck. Genuine cheeser on my face. So buzzing about that. I just need to wait for paperwork to come back. Need to bleed brakes, do the, you know, a bit of tracking and stuff like that, put the front bumper on, and yeah, that's when we're going to be taking it out for its first escapade. Right guys, I think that's going to do it for this video just now. I need to go inside and clean because the missus is going to kick my arse for the mess I made last night. And yeah, thanks again for watching. Just a short vid, a bit of a downer, but then at the end of it we all end up happy people. Right guys, I'll catch you in the next vid. Cheerio.